If you feel like you've been cursed or hexed, there are effective techniques to break the spell. First, assess if anyone might have a motive to curse you, as it's rare for strangers to cast spells. Common curses include love hexes, bad luck spells, or even revenge spells, often manifesting as sudden misfortunes or unexplained illnesses. However, remember that not all misfortunes are due to curses. They may result from ordinary life challenges or personal issues. If you suspect a curse, consider using an amulet for protection, taking a cleansing salt bath, burning uncrossing incense, or filling a cloth sack with protective herbs. Laughter can also counter negative energy, so engage in something that brings you joy. For more serious concerns, you might want to explore binding spells to turn negative energy into positive, or consult a spiritual healer or therapist who understands your situation.